अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर एस्पायरेंट्स। CSS 2023 करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। इससे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4, 5 हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। उनके लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 शुरू करते हैं। नवंबर 15, 2022 विल बी अ हिस्टोरिक डे इन humanities history because at this date the Earth's population reached the 8 billion mark. Critically discuss that the 21st century is a century of rapid population growth which has a devastating negative impact on the world. Explain the severe consequences of rapid population growth which will affect every country on the earth. The 21st century has indeed seen a rapid growth in the world's population, with the Earth's population reaching 8 billion in November 2022. This population growth has had a significant impact on the world and has resulted in a range of consequences that will affect every country on Earth. One of the most severe consequences of rapid population growth is the strain it places on natural resources such as food, water, and energy. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for these resources increases, leading to overconsumptions and depletion of these resources. This has already led to widespread food and water shortages in many countries and is expected to become even more critical in upcoming or coming years. Another consequence of rapid population growth is the impact it has on the environment. The increase in the number of people on the planet has led to an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to global warming and climate change. This has already led to rising sea level, more frequent natural disasters, and the loss of biodiversity. Rapid population growth also has significant social and economic consequences. The increase in the number of people has put pressure on healthcare systems, housing, and employment, leading to increased poverty, inequality, and social unrest. This has already led to political instability in many countries and is expected to become even more critical in the coming years. In addition, rapid population growth also has implications for national security. As the demand for resources increases, competition between countries is likely to increase, leading to greater tensions and the risk of conflict. This is especially true in regions with scarce resources such as water and oil. In conclusion, we can say the 21st century is indeed a century of rapid population growth which has had a devastating negative impact on the world. The consequences of this population growth are far reaching and will affect every country on earth, including resource depletion, environmental degradation, social and economic challenges, and political instability. It is essential that countries take measures to address these consequences and promote sustainable development in order to ensure the survival of the planet. Thank you so much. मिलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।